DJI just unveiled their highly anticipated drone of the year, the Mavic 3, which is packed with some mind-blowing upgrades. But not all of us are likely to prefer it, as it boasts a high price tag, which doesn't seem worthy at all. For those who are looking for a drone with decent capabilities yet at an affordable price, the DJI MINI series can be the go-to option. And it's been a while since we've seen the Mavic Mini 2, and leaks about this flyer suggest some massive improvement. Want to find out what's coming more with this compact drone? Then watch till the end, as in this video, we will be showing you the upcoming upgrades and features DJI might bring up with the Mini 3. So, without further ado, let's dive in. DronesGator, a popular drone news sharer, posted a picture claiming that it's the top cover of the Mini 3. From the image, the drone seems to be very compact, and that's what makes the Mini series so popular. Besides, there aren't many drones available in the market that are so compact, yet capable of capturing clear footage. DJI has always looked forward to making the drones as lightweight as possible, as they have done with the newly launched Mavic 3. Even with so many upgrades, DJI has managed to keep the drone lighter than its preceding model. So, undoubtedly, the Mini 3 is going to be one of the lightest drones. Talking about its performance upgrade, DJI is likely to implement a larger sensor. This will allow you to capture 4K videos at 60 frames per second compared to the 2.7K resolution of the Mini 2. Besides, a larger sensor means better low-light performance. Capturing aerial footage will be more fun. DJI might also offer better optical zooming for the camera, as most of the drones nowadays provide zooming capabilities. Another report from the DronesGator suggests that the next generation version of the Mavic Mini will have the latest OcuSync technology for better connectivity. This will allow the drone to transmit live videos from up to 12 kilometers range. However, we would want DJI to make the drone compatible with the RC Pro drone controller so that we can control the aircraft conveniently. The upcoming Mini 3 might also offer the advanced pilot assistance system for avoiding obstacles from 4 sides. Previously, we have seen this feature being used on the DJI Air 2S. The new obstacle avoidance technology will ensure more safety for the drone, and you'll be able to fly it without being much worried. And for the battery life, DJI might offer a bigger battery life for the upcoming drone. The Mini 2 offers up to 30 minutes of battery life, but nowadays, most budget drones also offer up to 40 minutes of battery backup. So, DJI certainly should provide a bigger battery capacity for more flying time. With all these upgrades, DJI might increase the price as well. As per the speculation, the Mini 3 is likely to be priced around $500. And if DJI really brings up all the rumored features, the Mini 3 is undoubtedly going to be a worthy upgrade. But when are we going to see this compact drone? A report from DroneXL suggested that the upcoming Mini 3 is likely to be launched on the 15th of November. Besides, we have seen its preceding model being launched 1 year after the DJI Mini. So, we hope to see the Mini 3 getting unveiled very soon. What do you think of this new drone? Let us know in the comments below. Like, comment and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.